this is MSK Entertainment Films and you're watching IELTS Tips and Tricks. Well, today we are going to talk about the summary completion. This is one of the major questions in IELTS reading. But before starting this tutorial, I want you to subscribe MSK Entertainment Films for further videos. So let's begin. Well, summary completion. First of all, most of the students read the summary and they look for exactly the same word in the reading text, but it is not like that. Most of the examiners or most of the designers of the exam, they use synonyms in the summary. So always look for synonyms in the text also. The common mistake which most of the students make is grammar rules. Most, or you can say around 60% of the students ignore the grammar rules, and due to which they make the wrong decision in selecting the answer. So if your sentence is not grammatically correct, try to avoid it, because the answer which you selected will be wrong. Always choose the answer which is grammatically correct. Well, there are two types of summaries. One is choose one word from the passage, which will exactly look like this. The second one is choose the word from the box. It will look like this. There will be a box given in the passage below or above. That totally depend on the examiner. But there are these type of passages. Next, we will see what are the tips for completing the summary. The first tip is try to predict the answer from the text or the option given, because it will help you in choosing the correct answer. Next, always keep in mind that the gap will be filled with a verb, noun, adjective or adverb. If your answer is grammatically wrong, the answer which you selected will be wrong. If the sentence is grammatically correct and it's making some sense, then your answer will be correct. Let's see the next step. The next step is that you should look for the synonyms or paraphrases in the text rather than looking for the exact word which is given in the summary. So remember, look for synonyms. And next, if you don't find the answer, try to move to the next question, because you will waste a lot of time. Try to find the easiest one first, and keep in mind that questions always come in order. Like first question number 1 will come, then 2, 3, 4. Same goes with sentence 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see the strategy. What strategy should we use for completing the summary? Well, there are a lot of strategies. You can choose the one on which you feel comfortable. First, if you get a list of words, think of a word or an answer which you think that it will be the correct answer. Then look for the meaning and always eliminate the word which don't fit in the sentence or the missing gap. Next is that read the question carefully. Always look at how many words the examiner need. Sometimes they ask for use only one word. The other time they ask 2 words and 3 words. So always read the question carefully. You should read the question before starting the summary. And note that many words you write, or if you get the words from the reading text or a list, you should check that it is grammatically correct. The next is that you should always guess 2 or 3 answers in the passage or in the box which is given to you, and then according to that you should pay and allocate the words which suit exactly in that passage or in that gap. Identify the reading text in the summary section, go to the text and see where they have picked that passage from. Scan the synonyms and it will help you out in completing the summary. Synonyms always play a major role. And there is a written that always look at the part of the section more carefully and choose the correct answer. Like in the whole video or tutorial, you can say I've kept a focus on synonyms. So always be alert and be careful regarding the synonyms. I hope you liked the video and kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Bye bye.